Hello all, welcome to i-tutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with Unit 3, Subsection 5 of Mmpc 008. It is difference between application software and system software. So we already started that software chapter. So this is Subsection 5. So please refer the last video also. And the system software and application software are computer programs. The system software is also installed during the installation of the operating system. However, the application software utilizes the capabilities of the computer on which it is installed. The program and the file that comprises the operating system are system software. These files include configuration files, system preferences, system services, libraries of functions, and the drivers for the hardware installed on the computer. The computer program in system software include compilers, system utilities, assemblers, debuggers, and file management tools. And the system software is also called low level software as it runs at the most basic level of the computer. It just creates a graphical user interface through which the user can interact with the hardware with the help of operating system. System software just runs at the back, so you don't need to bother about it. The system software provides an environment to run application software, and it controls the computer as well as the application installed on the machine. Application software utilizes the capabilities of computer. When multiple applications are packaged together, then it is called application suite. So there is a common user interface in each application suite, which makes it easier for the user to learn different applications. In some cases, such as Microsoft Office, the various application programs have the ability to interact with each other. This facility is very handy for the user. An example also here, and let us see the difference between system software and application software. It can be listed as below. System software get installed when the operating system is installed on the computer, while application software is installed according to the requirement of the user. System software include programs such as compilers, interpreters, drivers, assemblers, while application software includes software to automate business processes like ERP, CRM, SCM, PMS, and other such software developed by organizers for automation. And generally, users do not interact with the system software as it works in the background, whereas users interact with application software while doing different activities. A computer may not require more than one type of system software, while there may be a number of application software program installed on the computer at the same time. System software can run independently of the application software, while application cannot run without the presence of the system software. And open source software is primarily defined as software which is freely redistributable and include the source code. The licenses under which OS is released vary greatly, and they can be easily downloaded from website. OS is very different from the mainstream software industry, where source code is highly guarded and programs are only distributed in non-modifiable format. The most important aspect of the open source movement is the participation of users. When a user wants a feature or a bug fix for a commercial program, the user is at the mercy of the software vendor. However, with the open source, the user can modify the program according to his needs or fix a bug. And many users will help develop the program for free, simple to improve the product and for the benefit of the community. These are few of the most common and popular license for OSs. Some example is here, so you just go through it. And a few advantages of OSs are cost effective, customizable, and more secure. Since the source code is open, more people scrutinize the source code, and hence more flaws are found and corrected. The end result is that the code produced is more secure and compared to similar closed source code. The following terms are synonymous with the open source software: freeware, free library, open source software, and free open source software. Activity C is here. And next is 3.7, that is acquiring application software. Application software, sources of acquiring application software is, sources of application are different type, that is build the software, again it divided into in-house development and contract. And application software and buy the software is the standard package, customized package also here. Build the software, if the requirement of the company are unique or specific, then the decision to build the software may be taken. If the organization has the required talent and time, it may be built by the company itself. This kind of development is known as in-house development. Also, the company may obtain customized software from software vendors. Such software developed for particular companies are called contract software. And buy the software, the company has another option for of purchasing, leasing, or renting software from software companies who develop program and sell them to many computer users and organizations. The software developed for the general market is called off the shelf software. They are readily available, and many companies use them to support their business processes. Customized software, the company can also opt to go for a mix of both buy and build decision. In that case, the company can purchase some of the shelf available software and customize it to its need by in-house or external personnel. There are software vendors in the market who provide a range of service like installing, modifying software, training end users, etc. They can be contracted to do the customization. And summary of this unit is here. So this is, computer software have developed so much over the past years that it is very difficult to cover all aspect of the same. System software and application software represent two broad level of categorization. System software encompasses of the operating system, language translator, and the utility programs. Application software is aimed to solve particular user computing problem, and open source software is distributed with the source code and freely available at a fraction of cost as compared to proprietary software. Acquiring application software is an important business activity and requires to be managed carefully. And unit end exercises are here. What are the main type of software? What are the main function of operating system? Define multitasking and time sharing system. Difference between compiler and interpreter. Name different generation of programming languages and their characteristics. What are the advantages of open source software, and describe the decision making process of acquiring application software. So these are the 7 questions from this unit. So you just try to do it. It will help you for your term and examination, like your assignment. And this is about unit 3, and in next session we will start with unit 4 of mmbc 008. And for more MBA videos, you just do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
i-tutor Academy presents Ignou Mba complete syllabus coverage classes for individual students, semester-wise subject with online and flexible timing. For more details, contact on +916 238 21785.